Okay, so I'm not sure what's happening, but there's something going on this flight. All the flight attendants are running around like crazy.
We are going to do an emergency landing, and it might be necessary for us to make an emergency VG.
And I just kind of naturally picked it up and just started recording it, and it seemed like a good way to keep myself distracted from what was actually happening.
We've started to descend. Flying from Hong Kong to LA, so I don't know what land there is between there.
When you hear the bass, put your hands on the back, and then bend it back.
Of the flight that we had decided for this course of action for us, and we are anticipating a normal landing. So I want to reiterate it will be a normal landing.
I don't think it really sank in whilst it was happening. It was only kind of when I watched it back and I saw the moment of relief on my face, I realised that's actually pretty scary.
We're going to be landing in 10 minutes, and we're really dropping the pressure. I don't know whether you can see it, but they're actually jettisoning fuel to make us lighter. Down. We've landed.